You see, there's a mountain over there, and we found out that there's a city, small city or village. There's a small village over there. I can show you guys. There's still we are under. So that's one of the tips and showing you what is here in Italy, because yesterday we are walking in that Maasa, around in Maasa road, and we feel like unsafe to walk beside the road because we tried to follow the Google map that how to go this place using walking, and then the map direct us of course in the village, and after that it was in the main road, beside the road, and then we have a small space like this, a small space that we need to walk properly and look carefully, because then the car, if it's not careful, is not looking us or watching us, then they might hit us like that. Very small space, that's how it is. And then there's a special something there in that okay, that's the electric thing. They go up to the electric area, so it's like that. So we go to aula area, and as I said, it's a very curvy zigzag road here in Italy, so you must drive carefully and slowly, and be vigilant in every place. You see that? Oh, you see that car? He beeped us.
Even I brake to
He
let him
beeped
pass
us.
this way, so he beeped. Even I brake to let him
He
pass
beeped us
this way.
because they don't like us to drive. You see that mountain? Watch what a beautiful. It's like a Bohol. It's like a chocolate hills. Look like a chocolate hills in Bohol. You see, that's why a lot of people coming here in Italy, this area, because they have a beautiful view, scenery of the mountain like that. But we have like, it's look like this in Philippines. It's called Bohol. It's look like this. We have like this. If you go to Bohol, then you will see like this kind of things. So that's why when I